UNI-STELLAR S600, the newly upgraded rollover car wash machine, features a fully riveted body with a dual-layer coating design. Our core components are sourced from globally trusted brands. Multi-frequency conversion control system ensures smooth and stable operation of the entire machine. The machine is equipped with extra-long, fine bristle riveted brushes, combined with a variable frequency soft start scrubbing mode, and enhanced high-pressure side body washing, together with contour-following, extra-long linear oscillating blowers, featuring automatic wind direction adjustment, delivering an air drying efficiency of up to 98%. Extra-wide interior accommodates large SUVs. Integrated lighting provides clear and intuitive parking guidance for nighttime car washing. Valve-free design, saving 80% fresh water with water recycling system. Revolutionary low-maintenance concept with a simple structure, no complex components.